Have you ever started a trade with your best indicators and tools, but after entering, you kept running into a phantom resistance or a phantom support in the middle of a channel? Or maybe price breaks up or breaks down and then it keeps stopping at a level that does not look obvious on your chart. If it feels like something is sitting right there, stopping price over and over, and sometimes that same area helps the trade go against you, a lot of times that right there is called a fair value gap. We all know what fair value gaps are and how they are created, but not every trader uses them all the time, and not everybody has access to a chart or setup for fair value gaps clearly. My suggestion, use them, even if you have to draw them manually. Fair value gaps matter because they can show imbalance areas where price moved too fast, and later, price can come back to those areas and react. Now, if you use TradingView, you can find fair value gap indicators right inside the platform. Just go to the indicator search box and type FVG or fair value gap. There are tools already available that can help you start seeing those zones. And that brings me to what we are beta testing right now at SkyVestments. This is SkyVestments Structure Compass beta. The goal is simple. Wouldn't you like to pull up a chart, pick your financial instrument, a time frame, stocks, futures, cryptos, commodities, whatever has a chart, hit one button, and have the important structure laid out in front of you? That is what we are building right here. Structure Compass is not a buy or sell signal. It is a chart reading tool. It helps organize fair value gaps, reaction zones, support and resistance areas, volume context, liquidity areas, and market structure into one cleaner view. When price reacts or interacts with an important area, the tool reacts visually. It helps you see whether price is respecting the area, rejecting from it, breaking through it, or sitting inside a battle zone. We're not saying this is some magic secret sauce. We're not here selling dreams. Right now, this is beta. We're letting traders test it, use it, and tell us what they see. If it helps you read the chart cleaner, we want to hear that. If something needs improvement, we want to hear that as well. The Structure Compass beta will be available through the SkyVestments website inside the member section only. And for now, beta access is free. If you are interested in testing it, comment below, and we will get you that information on how to request access. And all you will need is TradingView username so access can be added manually.